Can't get into your Relay bank account? Are you hitting a wall with login errors, or is your account locked and you can't figure out why? If you've ever felt that sinking frustration when you need to check your business finances and the login screen just won't cooperate, you are not alone. Relay is an incredible financial platform for businesses, but like any digital tool, login hiccups happen. The good news is that most Relay login problems aren't a dead end, they're just a temporary detour. We're going to walk through the most common login issues and give you the steps to solve them right now. First, the most common reason, typographical errors. It sounds basic, but seriously, double-check that you haven't capitalized a letter in your password by mistake, or that your caps lock isn't on. Also, make sure you're using your correct username. If you're using a mobile device, make sure the Relay app is fully updated. Outdated versions can cause connectivity errors. Next up, what if you simply forgot your password? Don't panic. On the Relay login page, look for the Forgot Password link. You'll be prompted to enter your username, and then follow the steps for verification, which usually involves a code sent to your registered email or phone number. Use that link. Don't just keep guessing. Now, let's talk about two-factor authentication, or 2FA. This is a critical security layer, but it can be a source of frustration. If you're not receiving your SMS verification code, first check your phone service and spam filter. Still nothing? Relay often provides an option to resend the code or use a magic link sent to your email, especially if you're logging in from a new device. Use that email option if SMS is failing. The third big issue, and maybe the most concerning, is a locked account. If you've tried logging in too many times with the wrong credentials, Relay might temporarily lock your account for security reasons. Sometimes an account is locked due to an unusual security alert. If this happens, you need to go directly to the source. Look for the Contact Us or Help section on the Relay website. Live chat is often the fastest way to get your account reviewed and unlocked. They have a customer experience team specifically for these issues. So, before you throw your computer across the room, remember the steps. Check for typos, use the official Forgot Password link, and if 2FA is the problem, check for the resend or email option. For a full account lock, chat or call Relay support immediately. Following these troubleshooting steps will fix 99% of your login problems and get you back to managing your business finances quickly. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.